What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing a new Nike Dunk High 1985. Let's get into it. First, you got this nice Nike box. They got Nike sportswear on the top with different Nike balls with different colors. It says high quality dunk, 1985. This side of the box says Nike sportswear. Here we're gonna turn to this side. It says 1985. And then we're gonna get to the front of the box, which reads Nike Dunk High 1985 SP. Size is 6.5. Men's and the women's size 8, and they retail for $130. Let's get into the box. You're gonna open up this nice box, which on the top has just your different colors going on top. And you got your nice Nike tissue paper that has Nike going all around the tissue paper with little different squares. We're gonna open it up. That's one side, and the other paper is just all white paper. And then we're gonna pull out this nice, colorful shoe. There we go. Nike Dunk High 1985 Acid Wash. These were supposed to come out a while ago. I see they finally came out. They was supposed to come out last year, but they just came out on February 23rd. Like I said, it retail for $130. And this colorway right here, man, this is a nice, bright, vibrant colorway. I like the oranges and the blues of it. It also came out with the black and yellow pair. Also, they came out with these, but I like these the most. So let's get into this review. You got your nice, I would say it's like a shiny type leather. That's I would say a cream off-white looking color on the toe box. Then you got your orange and blue like acid wash going around the shoe. You got your orange Nike check. They come with your baby blue shoestrings, and as you can see, they come with this extra pair of sail off-white shoestrings also. The tongue of the shoe, it says Nike with the orange Nike check. Like the back of the shoe is just got your blue and orange acid wash going around it. The shape of the shoe is from 1985. This is how dunks used to look back in the day, so it's not like the dunks that they make now. This has a more like I would say curvy type look to it. Yeah. Then you got the around the shoe is the all off-white looking cream color. Then the bottom of the shoe is like a light orange color. But these right here was a very nice colorway. I liked them a lot. I had the other two colorways, the brown wash, red and brown wash colorway. I had those also. But these right here, I just want to add these to the collection because this colorway just pops. It screams summer vibes, and I just like, man, I like those. The black and the yellow was nice also, but I'm not really a black and yellow person, so I had to go with these right here. That was the left shoe. No, that was the right shoe. This is the left shoe. Looks the same way. You got your orange and blue, baby blue acid wash going all the way around the shoe. You got your orange Nike check with your baby blue shoestrings. And tongue of the shoe, you got Nike with the orange check going on the inside of the shoe. Is all orange, and it just says Nike going on the inside of there. Bottom of the shoe, you got your orange on the bottom of the shoe, and like I said, on the toe box is like that creamish. I would say it's like a cream. It could be like a very light yellow also going around the shoe. But yeah, these right here. What y'all think about these? What did you try to go for them? I know a lot of people didn't really go for these. They pretty much was sitting. But of course, you know, everybody had their own taste, and these right here, I liked it how they look, so I went ahead and went for them. What y'all think about these? Did you go for this color, or did you go for the black and yellow colorway? Like I said, they retail for $130, and they came out on February 23rd. But yeah, this is just a nice little vibrant color. Like I can really rock these shoes right here. I like this colorway. I like the way the baby blue and orange makes it pop. It just stands out. And of course, when you wear these, people gonna look at them because this shoe, it just stands out all, you know, on its own. So this was a very nice shoe, very nice pickup, especially for a dunk. So I can't complain. I like them. But yeah, that's the Nike Dunk 1985 Acid Wash, orange and team, what they call it, team orange and blue. So that's what we're gonna go with, team orange and blue. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you cop or did you pass on them? But yeah, I like them. You know, hey, they different. So y'all just let me know. But that's all I got for y'all today. It's your girl SnkrMom. Continue to follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Continue to ask me questions, throw your comments down there. I continue to answer all comments. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting. And that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.